Hey guys, welcome to Tech Hans. In today's video, we are going to see how to reset the network settings of the printer Epson L3150. This is an all-in-one printer. I have already connected this to the network. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset it and set it up from the beginning. So in this video, I'm going to show you only how to reset the Wi-Fi settings. So guys, first you have to make sure that the printer is off. So let's off this. So now you have to press and hold the network information button with the power button. So let's press and hold both of them until you see the network lights light up alternately. So the first one is the connection for the Wi-Fi router. The second one is the connection for Wi-Fi direct. So this would light up alternately, and it will stop once the reset has been completed. So let's it's going to take some time, so let's wait patiently. So guys, it is reset now. How I know if it is not reset, when I press the Wi-Fi button, it has to connect to the network, and when it does, these two lights would light up. So it didn't happen now. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to the iMac computer, also to Windows laptop or computers. So guys, thank you for watching this video. You may like the video, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. Thank you very much.